The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the picture enhancements that can be edited into a picture that is brought into the picture management utility in Force 5. First, let's get the picture management utility open. Now you see we have our pictures that we've brought into Force 5 previously, and we are going to select one, and now we're going to add a graphic enhancement, a circle, an arrow, or some other feature here that we want to point out in this picture. So to do that, we first double click on the picture. Now that brings us to a full screen image of the picture, and in the lower left corner it says edit picture or close. We're going to click on edit picture, which opens up our photo editor, which is Microsoft Paint, is embedded into this Windows 10 operating system, and automatically selects your default photo editor, which in a lot of your computers will be Paint. So here I'm going to select a circle, and I'm going to click on that circle. I'm going to select a color for it, red. I'm going to draw that circle, and I am going to move it over the top of the TV control unit, and I may actually add an arrow. Let's put an arrow in here, select that color to be yellow. You'll have to learn how to do this in your version of whatever graphics program you use or will start up when you do this. Now I put an arrow and a red circle in here. We're going to save this picture. I'm going to close Paint. We're going to click on Save the Image. That's going to add these to the picture. We're going to close the full screen picture. Right, and now this is brought back into our picture in Force 5, and we can possibly do another one. Here's another picture, and we can add something to this. Show you again, it blows it back up. I double clicked it, it blows it back up. We'll click on Edit Picture. Again, it comes into Paint automatically for us. We'll find an area that I want to put a possible point out something. Maybe we'll pick another arrow. We'll point out the pillow. This arrow is black. We can change it to a different color, green, blue. Let's go with a red arrow. Now if we move it around and get it just where we want it. Now if we decide at the last minute here that we do not want to enhance this picture with this, we can highlight that, select it again, or in this case maybe we just will not save it, and if we click on Don't Save, it will not carry those enhancements back, and when we close out, nothing's been changed in the picture. Here's a couple of other photos that I had already edited. We could edit them again, add something else if we wanted them, but since I'd already edited them, I wanted to show you. There's another one that I had put a diamond on the pillow. But once we're done, these enhancements have to be saved into the entire picture management window, just as if you brought in a new photo or anything. So before you leave, click Save, and those pictures are saved. And that's really all there is to it. However, if after you have edited a picture, if that picture is to go from a green flag, which means it's down below 100, KB. This one happens to be 84 64 KB. This one here, as you see, is now a blue flag. This is the one that we just edited, and we actually made the picture go up over 100 and 80 KB. So we would probably want to rerun the resize. Now, resize the photo to standard settings. We click this button, and now it's resized it back to 49K, and it has changed the flag to green. So now it is the proper size for all of the as with all the rest of the photos below 100K. It is not critical that you do that if you only have a couple, 3 pictures in your group that has gotten over that 100 size, but if you will notice that they turn blue before you save, just go ahead and run each one separately, and then once they're green again, just click save, and you will be ready to print preview and observe your picture enhancements. Let's go into the back and let's see if we've got any of the enhancements showing, which I think we do. Here's a couple of pages here with enhancements showing in the picture management. So I'm going to close that, and we are going to end this video.